Let's play Redactle for Sunday, June 5th. This Wikipedia article has a single word title, it's a short word, and there's a definition of that. And then I see immediately there's either EG or IE, and then two words with looks like a single character, something as then a hyphenated word, R. So maybe there's two definitions. In the next paragraph, I do see, looks like a letter and then a subscript and then another letter, which immediately makes me think of chemistry. Something like H2O, perhaps. Anyway, let's start by trying E. Okay, so it is IE. So let's put that in. 5 I's and 4 E's. What's the extra I we got? IE, and then there's more. Oh, I dash. Is that a range? I'm going to try the number 2 just to see if that's one of the subscripts. And then, well, let's try H2O. Now let me go back up to the top and see if... Okay, it's not H2O. Is it H3O? Yes. I don't exactly know what the name of that is, but I'm going to look for chemistry, 4 occurrences. I'm going to try molecule. Okay, something is a molecule, or I don't think it's atom. There are some atoms. Okay, and that in parentheses with the IE is comma H. So let's try hydrogen. Hydrogen something. Ion, is that a... Yeah, okay. I must have vaguely remembered that from the back of my mind. A something is a molecular ion particle. Doesn't sound right. No, an ion something. And then something as a... I'm going to try compound. 4 compounds. I'm going to try half as in half-life. No, let's try life. 2 lives. Is that everyday life? Oh, lost my focus. It happens to all of us. It is everyday life. Let me try my favorite word, valence. 1 valence. Let's try positive. After I refocus, positive and negative. Oh, so overall we're negative. Let's look at the positive first. Positive hydrogen. I did atom, but I didn't do atoms. And let's do molecules as well. Well, maybe if I spelt it right. How about molecular? And let me also put in physics. No, I guess I'm a little confused as to where physics ends and chemistry begins, or vice versa. Let's do particles. Let's do particular. No. Okay, let's look at our negatives. Since something is known. There are a lot of knowns. There are some known knowns. There's probably some unknown unknowns. Known as a something something. I'm not a fan of these very scientific articles. It really should be something that is known to the general public. Maybe this is known to the general public. Molecular ion. Dum, 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 dum. Okay, I'm gonna try some common words first. I guess when this was first observed or discovered, the first discovery. No, the first example. A lot of examples. The first instance. No, the first. Let's say was. No, was is not redacted. How about are? A lot of R's, okay. And were, no words. How about take, taken, make, made. What are these things known as? How about the name? There might be something about the origin of the name of this. With? Is with redacted? No, so it doesn't show up. Let's try just no. No knows. It's okay. By, no, by is not redacted. As, not redacted. All, okay. Oh, I see here, it looks like maybe the prefix and then something in quotes with a hyphen. Yeah, the prefix hydro. Aha, hydro is used when the something, and it's not atom. I did try atom right, and I spelt it right. Not always, yeah. There were 8 atoms for peace. Oh, maybe when any of the, no. When, did we do one? No, when one of the H-O, and what is that short word? Let's try fixed. One of the, no, I thought it might be is fixed. And the others, other, no, but we do have, let's go back and look at some of these words. To something one. Okay, I'm going to look for oxide, dioxide, monoxide, and is there trioxide? No. But we'll look at the dioxide. Well, let's try carbon. Let's get focus. Carbon. Yeah. So that's going to be CO. Yeah. Is there atmosphere? No. Gas? No, I don't think I did oxygen, did I? No, so oxygen gas makes, no. Air? No. Okay, let's look at our carbons. Let's just do the letter C. No, there are 9 C's. The something are something carbon. Okay. Gotta try the letter. Oh no, I did O. U, because I'm just saying here, an. Let me just mark that. An something. So that has to be some vowel. E. Did E, of course, yeah. A would not be redacted. E. I, we've done. O. U. Okay, what is that then? But in all other ways, maybe I'm just saying a phrase there. No. Respects. No, let's look at our mysterious ways. Are used in many ways. Yeah. Use as something is used in let's try history, in medicine, in memoriam, in Bruges, in what could that be? In science, in we've done chemistry, yeah, and there was no physics. In biology, maybe? One biology. How about some other common words? These, okay, those, that, this. Did I do examples plural? No. Cases? No. Let's look at our that's. So our overall article, it's a short word, looks like 4 or 5 letters, and begins with a vowel. And it's a molecule or ion something of, let's try heavy, no, water, known as a something something, R. Yeah, really do not like these chemistry ones. Okay, what other elements might we have other than carbon, oxygen, hydrogen? Nitrogen. Okay. Then, what else? Helium. That's always good for a laugh. No. Hmm. Failing to think of any other elements. Yeah, what is this in everyday life? I'm familiar with everyday life. I lead in everyday life. So what are they talking about? Or something, something, something in water. I guess additives. Two additives. Let's see our additives. Main. No, that's very Maine of them, not to have Maine. Usual, unusual, usually. Okay, CO2 is usually. Hmm. Expected, thought. Did we do discovered? Let's try that. No. How about discovery? I already did that. Scientist. No. Here's another in with a short word. In food, maybe? Aha. So, what's that one? Riboflavin. Whoops. Riboflavin, not flavin. I think I've been eating too much flavin. Not riboflavin. Nutrients. No, nutrient. Preservative. Okay, use it a preservative in something. Is used in something to something life, day-to-day life, of course. Preservative in, let's try, I don't think it's going to be milk, but let's try that. Juice, bread, what else? Jelly? I don't think I'm ready for that jelly. Um, what could that used as a preservative in beers? No. Wine? No, they don't add preservatives, surely. One of the most common. And it's not food additives, so what kind of additives? Something in something making? No. Well, let's look at our mosts. See if Mickey Most is there. Most other something. Most. Let's try chemically. No. Go back to our mosts. Are the most frequent? No. I thought I did often. No, I didn't. Let's look at our oftens. Um, what is this that something often And then we have H and then something in parentheses. Added. Okay, when added to water. How about increases? When added to water increases the, it's a long word, in the water. Value? How about pH? Oh, 26 pHs. Lower, higher. I think the number 7, yeah, is sort of the middle one of pH levels, right? So let's do acidic. And then what's the opposite of acidic? Oh my goodness. Where is my schoolboy science? Base, but I think there's another name for it as well. Well, let's look at base. There's a lot of bases, and all these bases are belong to us. Of something on an atom in a base, for example, a nitrogen atom in. Okay. I'm all about that base. Something base. How about high base? No. Just low? No. How about neutral? 4 neutrals. Let me go back to these bases. From an acid to a base, I guess. Oh! All right. So, not exactly sure how I managed to find that eventually after only 120 guesses. The global average is 50, so that did take me a long, long time. My accuracy was on the low side, 61%. Acid is a molecular ion capable of either donating a proton, that's very generous of it, known as a Bronsted-Lowry acid, or forming a covalent, oh, why didn't I go for covalent, known as Lewis acid. Yeah, I heard that Lewis was always on the acid. Anyway, that is Redactle for today. Thanks as always for watching.